Premium sensory baby teether set, multiple teething surfaces aid in the eruption of new teeth. Organic cotton adjustable bib helps keep your baby dry while drooling and teething. High end, safe organic food grade silicone toxin, latex, ampersand BPA, free advanced gum massager. Hard and soft textures massage and stimulate gums. Easy to grasp shape stimulates visual, motor and sensory development. Teeny Greeny Baby Premium sensory silicone strawberry, grape and orange fruit teething toys are ergonomically sized and shaped for little hands to grasp with soft edges to fit perfectly into a baby /'s tiny mouth. Multi-sensory textures offer your baby the right sensations to relieve the discomfort from the eruption of the first tooth to the pain from the back molars. Vibrant contrasting colors holds baby /'s attention while promoting hand-eye coordination and gross motor skills. Soft non-toxic, BPA-free and FDA-compliant food-grade silicone ensures a safe teething experience. Bonus: we are including a trendy organic cotton adjustable bandana baby bib to help absorb teething dribble and drool. Our premium Teeny Greeny Baby teething set makes the perfect gift. Any new mother need the perfect shower gift? Click the /add to cart / button to order them right away.